What's up, guys? Today I'm going to be doing an unboxing video on the Insta 1X. This is the plastic that was on the outside. So this is a 360 camera. It shoots 5.7K, but that's the whole 360 image. So you're not going to be exporting it at 5.7K. You're going to be cropping into that image. So I've got these little children's scissors. I'm going to try to open this thing up without destroying it. These scissors are not very sharp, but you know what? I'm gonna make them work. Oh. Okay, so the camera might not work anymore. All right, let's see. So to be honest, I've already broken one of these, and I'm gonna do a video on that soon. Put it up, but see the base here? I actually have destroyed from here down on one of these things already. So this is my second Insta 1X that I am unboxing. So you just pull off a little sticker and you've got 1/4 threads, so you can put that on a tripod. Get the battery, goes right here. It's not in there yet, and it takes a micro SD card. So in this we have the battery and probably the cable to a USB. Might be more than one cable in here. Let's see. No, it's like a little necklace. So we got the battery and a useless little necklace in there. So let's put this in because I need to charge this up, because my other one's broken. So let's take that out. Right here, we've got the connector to a USB to your computer or for charging. And then we've got one to connect to an iPhone, an Android phone, a Google Pixel 3. You know, you got the USB-C in there, you got everything. And then we've got this case that it goes in. This is great for protecting it. This thing is great. The first one I had when I first did an unboxing video that I never posted online, I complained about this little thing that you wear around your neck, but this thing is actually really good to protect the camera. Got an Insta 360 sticker, another one, and then we've got an instructional booklet to tell you. This camera is pretty complicated. There's a lot of things that go into this, so you're probably gonna need that. I'm leaving all that stuff in there because I already have all this stuff, because you know this is my second Insta 1X. So about to take this to work with me and charge it up while I live my life. So yeah, there you go. This thing is awesome. Definitely check out my review on the Insta 1X. I've got one review on this camera on my YouTube channel already, but I'm going to be doing a lot more videos with this thing because this is one of the coolest cameras. This thing is awesome. I've never seen a bad review on this camera. You can just take this thing with you and take photos, like 18 megapixel photos, and reframe them later in post and make some amazing pictures, because you don't even have to point the camera. You can just take pictures of this. It's great for photography. It's really great for video though. The stability on this thing is unlike anything else. Like, I can be jumping on the trampoline, I can be skateboarding, holding this thing on a pole, and it just looks like somebody is filming me with a gimbal, even if I'm swinging the thing all over the place. So I would definitely suggest this. If you enjoy this kind of content, reviews, tutorials, and videos about what I'm learning as I grow as a filmmaker, then hit that subscribe button, and thanks for watching.